Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I will teach you how to download and install CorelDRAW on the PC. So I'll be giving you the step one by one of how you can download and install CorelDRAW, and you people can do it yourselves. Okay, so this is how you go about by clicking on the web browser. So you type download a CorelDRAW for PC for free. So you click on this website. So on the green button you click on download, then you click on it. So after you before you want to download, you click on documents, download pictures, music and so on. Then if you want to edit the file, you can rename it, and then click on save. So after you are done downloading, you click on this file. So by the right click on the mouse, you click on Run as Administrator. You click on yes. Then here is the coreldrawgraphicsuite setup. So you click on continue. And then the setup will start installing. So after the has done download the setup, it will start installing. So after this is done installing, then all you have to do is to go to the start before the search bar, then they open the app Corel Draw. So here is the Corel Draw graphic suite setup. So it says to continue installing the software, you must agree to the terms of the Corel End User License Agreement EULA, then scroll down to the end of EULA before you can agree to these terms. So okay, click on agree. So you have to input your email address. Then you input your password. Then if it is a then if you are from you are from oh no, okay, well, let me say, and then if you are from Nigeria or you are from Spain, you change the country region. Then they choose and the country you are from. And then you click on continue. Okay, so after you are done creating your account, you have been signed and your product is authenticated. Then click on finish. So you click on this app. And that's it. And so that is how you can download and install CorelDRAW CorelDRAW as a graphic design. So if you have any questions about regarding this tutorial, feel free to comment. Don't hesitate, just ask me and if you just ask some questions. So if the video was helpful, you please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, and click on the bell icon notification to get a new notification once I release another video tutorial. Then on next week I will release I'll release another video tutorial which is on how to use CorelDRAW using a graphic design. So that is how I'll make another video tutorial as soon as I can. So thank you so much for watching this video, and catch you up in the next video.